Nice. Oh, you hear it? You hear it? That's that sound to put a smile on your face right there.
Oh yeah, put a smile on my face every day.
I believe it. I believe it.
Had about them all on freeze. Had to show them all my speed. Get it, I'm got it in lead. Had to skip past all that. Closing that book and left. I was on ice Kritsky. Had to put them all on freeze. Every time I close my eyes, I think about you. And I thought I did my time, and now I found my truth.
Yeah, this is the overseas version of the Pontiac GTO. Huh? Owns two of them. Huh?
What is it?
I don't remember what these are called, but I remember that this wasn't this the overseas version of the Pontiac.
You're close. 14 through 17, they made about 12,000 of them.
Okay. Which LS engine is that?
LS3.
3. Ooh, that's a lot.
That's a 4-valve motor.
Yeah, them things are quick.
It's a SS Commodore, Holden Commodore.
Holden, that's the name of the company. I could not think of it. I remember watching the Top Gear special about these.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I didn't even know they had the SS seats in them. Like they had that in there too.
That's got SS on the dash in there too.
Does it? I didn't even see that. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is cool. You mind if I put my camera in there? Kind of.
No, go ahead.
It's a 360 camera.
It's fast and loud.
Longest.
And I'm like, well, is it for sale? He said, well, yeah.
Everything's for sale.
But, you know, service manager trying to buy it. I basically bought it out from under him. But it's quick.
It's all. Is that all stock, like stock airbox and everything too?
Oh, no.
It's not.
No.
Is it built?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. It's going to be at the Super Speedway, the one off of 840.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you hear it? You hear it? That's that sound to put a smile on your face right there. I believe it. I believe it. Man, that's you know, it's kind of a rule of thumb. When you hear the cans lobing like that, you don't really want to race those guys. How much do these things sell for nowadays?
Then leave a damn mark. I've been on point like TP. Mama so proud when you see me. Took around the whole damn country and they still stuck, you know. Had to lose my dream for this one. Better yet, to just go pick one. Now I just make all these 6 songs and you just talk about ice Kritsky. Had to put them all on freeze. Had to show them all my speed. Get it, I'm got it in lead. Had to skip past all that. Closing that book and left. I was on ice Kritsky. Had to put them all on freeze.